See, the next one is allied angles. If theta is any angle, then minus theta, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta. That is 360 means we are taking in the form of degree. These are called allied angles. And to write allied angles, I am giving you very interesting and easiest one hint here. For if it is a minus theta, just remember this 6. For this 6 there is no hint. Sin of minus theta will be minus sin theta. Immediate opposite of that I am writing cosec. Cosec of minus theta will be minus cosec theta. Then cos of minus theta will be cos. Note down this, it is positive. Then sec of minus theta will be sec theta. It is also positive. Come to the next. Tan of minus theta will be minus tan theta. If tan is negative means what about cot? Cot of minus theta will be minus cot theta. So these are the basic 6 you have to remember. The next one I am giving you the hint. So please take a pen and paper. With me only go on writing that. So I am giving you one hint. Write it as a note. Important note. What it is then? If the coefficient of (90° is even, underline this. If the coefficient of 90° is even, see what is the first one? Sine. The trigonometric term sine remains sine. Similarly, cos remains cos. Tan remains tan. Cot remains cot. Then sec remains sec. Sixth one, cosec remains cosec. See students, have you observed what it is? If the coefficient of 90° is even, then sin remains sin, cos remains cos, tan remains tan, cot remains cot, sec remains sec, cosec remains cosec. Just note down in one paper. I will explain how to apply when you are writing the allied angles. And the second note, if the coefficient of 90° is odd, underline it. I am giving you the time, just go on writing. If the coefficient of 90° is odd, then first one. Here sign changes. Sin changes to cos. Cos changes to sin. Tan changes to cot. Cot changes to tan. Have you writing or not? Sec changes to cosec. Cosec changes to sec. That means you are observe that one important point. If the coefficient of 90° is odd, all the trigonometric terms are changing. And if the coefficient of 90° is even, they remains as it is. Have you wrote on one paper? Because now we require all these. See. On this side, I am writing the quadrant, and this is first quadrant, this is the second, this is third, this is fourth. Here all are positive. Here sin and cosec are positive. Here tan and cot are positive. The last one is cos and sec are positive. So here it is 0 degree. It is 0. It is 90. From here to here when you are moving, it is 90. 90 means its coefficient is 1. Again from here to here 90 degree. That means this is a straight line 180 degree. 180 is splitting as 2 into 90. So it is 2. It is 270. 270 is 3 into 90. It is 364. Like this the coefficient goes on like this. And here 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9, 10, 11, 12. It goes on continuing. Again here also you are observing one more thing. What you are observing? So you are observing in this initial line we are getting the multiples of 4. 0, 4, 8, 12 like that. Understood? Now I am explaining 90 minus theta. How to write the allied angle 90 minus theta without birecting. 90 minus theta. So how you split this? We are splitting 1 into 90. Remember it is not a dot multiplication. 1 into 90 minus theta. Now tell me what is the coefficient of 90 degree? The coefficient of 90 degree is 1. See your paper, whatever you wrote down. Coefficient of 90 degree 1. 1 is odd means sign it changes to cos. So write down. And this remember when you are writing in terms of 90, theta will be less than 90 degree. So it is cos theta. Why it is cos? 1 is odd. After writing trigonometry term, we have to check in which quadrant it comes. 1 into 90. This number is 1. See where you are having number 1. This is 1 into 90. Minus means we are moving to the next one or previous. Minus means always moving to previous. Previous means first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive. So your answer will be positive. Cos 90 minus theta. It is cos 1 into 90 minus theta. So again 1. Coefficient of 90 degree 1. It is odd. Cos changes to sin theta. And now only you observe that 1 into 90 is this line and minus is in first quadrant. Here all are positive. So your answer is positive. Remember you have to write the sign in front of this answer. Now tan 90 minus theta. It is tan 1 into 90 minus theta. 1 is odd. Tan changes to cot. It is also 1 into 90 minus means first quadrant. That is also positive. Cot 90 minus theta. 1 is odd. Cot changes to tan in first quadrant because it is also in first quadrant. All are positive. Then sec 90 minus theta. Sec changes to cosec because of odd number and it comes in first quadrant. All are positive. So this is what? This is about 90 minus theta. Now I am giving 90 plus theta. See students, you are getting over what? Now write down all 6. Sin 90 plus theta. How you write? Sin 1 into 90 plus theta. 1 is odd. Sin changes to cos. Now check where it comes. This is 0. This is 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 into 90. Plus means second quadrant. Tell me which terms are positive in second quadrant? Sin and cosec. That means sin is positive. So your answer will be positive. Then cos 90 plus theta. Again odd, cos changes to sine. But what is cos? It comes in second quadrant. 1 into 90 is this. Here second quadrant cos 90 plus theta. In the second quadrant cos is negative. Here only sine and cosec are positive. Remaining 4 are negative, means cos is negative. You have to write this sign in front of the answer. Then tan 90 minus plus theta. You only tell how you split. Tan 1 into 90 plus theta. 1 is odd. Tan changes to odd. 1 into 90 plus. This also comes in second quadrant. Second quadrant it is negative. After that cot. Cot 90 plus theta. That I am writing as 1 into 90 plus theta. Again 1 is odd. Cot changes to tan. Tell me student what it is. Is it positive or negative? Yes, it is negative. Why? In the second quadrant cot is negative. Then sec 90 plus theta. This cosec. Cosec is also negative. So your answer is negative. Last one cosec. One is odd. Cosec changes to sec. But what is cosec in the second quadrant? In the second quadrant cosec is positive. So your answer will be positive. Note down. Only sine and cosec are positive in second quadrant, means in front of that your answer will be positive. The remaining will be negative. Is it clear or what? Write it slowly. Even I will explain slowly step by step to understand these allied angles. Then after that I am coming to 180 minus theta. So how you write 180 minus theta? Split everything in terms of 90s. It is 2 into 90. 180 will be splitting as 2 into 90 minus theta. So what is C? You have to see the coefficient. What is the coefficient of 90? 2. It is even. Even means sine remains sine. Your answer will be sine theta. After writing trigonometric terms, come to the quadrants. See, this is the line 2 into 90. In front of that we have a number 2. 2 into 90 minus. Minus means we are moving to the previous. In the previous, sign is positive. So your answer is positive. Similarly, cos 180 minus theta. 2 is even. Even means cos remains cos. But what about a sine? This is in second quadrant. Why? 2 into 90 minus. In the second quadrant cos is negative. Tan 180 minus theta. 2 is even. So tan remains tan. After writing trigonometry term, we have to check the quadrants. 2 into 90 this line, minus means previous. Previous is second quadrant. In the second quadrant tan is negative. So write down the remaining 3. So 2 is even. Cot changes to. Cot remains as it is, even number. Even it is comes in second quadrant, so it is negative. Can you tell me the remaining 2 answers? What about sec? Is it positive or negative in the second quadrant? Yes, it is negative in the second quadrant. And because of this even coefficient, it remains as it is. Then what about cosec? Even cosec remains as it is because we are writing 2 into. 2 is even. But in the second quadrant cosec is positive. So your answer will be positive. So I am explaining one more. 180 plus theta. Allied angle 180 plus theta. See what is sin 180 plus theta? This will be written as 2 into 90 plus theta. 2 is even. Sin remains sin. You have to write first trigonometric term. After writing trigonometric term, we have to see the quadrant. 2 into 90 plus theta. This is the line 2 into 90. Plus means third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sign is negative. That means 180 plus theta, all value comes in third quadrant. Third quadrant only tan and cot answers are positive. The remaining are negative. So this is 2 even. It comes in third quadrant, so it is negative. But what about tan? It is 2 even. Tan remains tan, but in third quadrant tan is positive. Observe this, it is important, it is positive. Then what about cot? Yes, cot is also positive. Then sec and cosec are negative, and because of even number they remains as it is. So can you try for the remaining? The remaining values are 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta and 360 plus theta. Try for the next one.